In this video, I will show you how you can fix if one of your AirPods is not charging. Now, if you have noticed that one of your AirPods is not charging, now to fix this issue, first of all, on your iPhone, just go to Settings, then tap on Bluetooth. From here, just make sure you enable Bluetooth, then tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPod's name. Now, at the bottom of this page, just select Forget Device and tap on Forget Device. After you do that, now on your AirPods, just open the lid and make sure you place both of your AirPods in the case, then close the lid. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just open the lid back open and double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset of your AirPods. But if you're using an AirPods Pro or any other AirPods which have a button at the back, now to factory reset that type of AirPods, just open the lid, then press and hold on the button at the back of the AirPod. Now just do that until this LED turns into orange. And once that happens, this indicates that you have completed the factory reset process. Now after you complete the hard reset process, now just remove the AirPod which is not charging and insert it back in. Then close the lid and then check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just place both of your AirPods in the case and close the lid. Now after that, just plug in your AirPods into charge. Now as you see this orange LED, this indicates that your AirPods case has started charging. Now just leave your AirPods to charge from 10 to 20 minutes, and after that just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just open the lid of your AirPods and remove the AirPod which is not charging. Now just look at the end of the stem of the AirPod. Now over here, if you find any dust, debris or any corrosion on the charging pins of the AirPod, then just clean it using a soft cloth, and if you have any isopropyl alcohol, just apply a bit of isopropyl alcohol on your cleaning cloth and rub the cloth at the end of the stem. After you clean your AirPods, then just look at the charging place of your AirPod. Now if you find any dust, debris or any corrosion stuck on the charging pins inside the case, then just use a Q-tip and apply a bit of isopropyl alcohol on the Q-tip, then rub the Q-tip on the charging pins. After you clean the charging case, then just insert your AirPod back in the case and close the lid. And after that, you will fix one AirPod is not charging issue on your AirPods. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.